In this video, I'll show you how to use video chat on ChatGPT 4.0, what you need to access it, and the easiest way to start a live conversation with video on your phone. First, here's the important part. OpenAI's current Help Center says video and voice conversations is available on the iOS and Android mobile apps for subscribers. So this is mainly a mobile feature, not something you set up the same way on the regular web chat interface. OpenAI also explains that you start by opening a voice conversation first, then turning video on from inside that voice chat. To begin, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and start a voice chat by tapping the sound wave or voice icon. If it's your first time using voice, you may be asked to choose a voice first. Once the voice conversation is active, look at the controls at the bottom of the screen. OpenAI says you can share live video by tapping the camera button during the conversation. As soon as you do that, ChatGPT can use your camera feed as part of the conversation. This is useful when you want ChatGPT to look at something in real time, like an object, a device, a document, a sign, or even something on your desk. Instead of uploading a single image, you can point your camera and ask questions as you go. You can say things like, "What am I looking at? Can you read this?" Or, "Help me fix this step by step." The main advantage is that it feels more like a live assistant experience. OpenAI also says that while you're in that same voice chat, you can do more than just video. On mobile, subscribers can also share a photo or share their screen by tapping the three dots menu. That means if video isn't the best option, you can switch to a photo or show your screen instead. There are a couple of things to keep in mind. OpenAI's Help Center says video and screen share are part of voice mode on mobile for subscribers, and usage can be subject to limits depending on your plan. OpenAI's pricing and help pages also note that Pro includes higher limits for video and screen sharing than standard subscriber access. So the easiest way to use video chat on ChatGPT 4.0 is simple. Open the mobile app, start a voice conversation, tap the camera button, and ask clear questions about whatever you're showing. That gives you a live, hands-free way to talk and get help at the same time. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.